Fall protection safety. Working at heights can be hazardous if the correct protections are not used. Use fall protection measures if you are working more than 1.8 meters, 6 feet, from ground or platform level. Fall protection measures relate to personal fall arrest systems, ladder safety, fixed elevated work surfaces, elevating work platforms, scaffold safety. A personal fall arrest system protects employees from falling to floor level when working at height. A shock-absorbing lanyard is attached to a fixed anchor point and connected to a full-body harness. If you are wearing the harness correctly, a properly fixed lanyard will stop you from falling to floor level. Precautions when using a personal fall arrest system: inspect all parts of the fall arrest system before each use. Remove defective components from use. Do not install or store the fall arrest system where it can be damaged from cuts or abrasions. Do not use the fall arrest system to hoist equipment or materials. Secure the lanyard of the fall arrest system at least 5.5 meters, 18 feet, above the impact surface. Do not reuse a fall arrest system if it has been used to stop a fall. Do not use waist belts or manual/non-self-locking snap hooks as part of the fall arrest system. Inspect all ladders before using them, and remove any defective ones from use. Ensure the top of the ladder extends a minimum of 1 meter, 3 feet, above the top landing point. Place the ladder base 1 meter, 3 feet, away from vertical top contact point for every 4 meters, 13 feet, of height. Secure the ladder at the top landing point, and provide a stable footing for the base. No more than one person at a time must be on a ladder. Do not work off the top step of a stepladder, or stand on its non-step side. Do not place a ladder on a temporary work platform, such as scaffolds. Do not use metal ladders when you are working on, or near, electrical equipment or conductors. Use only non-conductive ladders. Use a personal fall arrest system on any ladder that is taller than 6 meters, 20 feet, and is not equipped with a cage. If the work is more than 1.8 meters, 6 feet, above the ground or working surface, is long-term, or requires heavy physical work, other methods must be used instead of ladders, such as scaffolds or personal lifts. You must face the ladder and maintain at least 3 points of contact with it as shown in Figure 14, when climbing up or down the ladder. Your hands must be free of materials or tools. Permanent structures are used to access heights at some work locations. Fixed elevated work surfaces are permanently installed when access is required frequently to equipment at height. Precautions when using fixed elevated work surfaces: inspect all fixed elevated work surfaces prior to using them. Place guards or barricades around any floor openings in an elevated platform. Do not stand on guard rails or use ladders close to the edge of an elevated work platform. Elevating platforms are an efficient method of working at height. Precautions when using elevating work platforms: only qualified personnel can operate an elevating work platform. Personnel lifts must have a current inspection sticker. A second person must be present to guide the operator while moving the lift to another location. Always maintain appropriate clearance from overhead obstructions when raising or lowering the platform. Do not modify elevating platform equipment without written consent from the manufacturer. Do not use platform equipment outside if it has been designed for indoor use. Use outriggers if the platform is equipped with them. Wear a full body harness with lanyard attached to an anchor point when using a personnel lift. Close entrance gates or chains fully before the elevating platform is moved or raised. Do not use personnel lifts for lifting equipment or tools. Scaffold safety. Scaffolding is a temporary structure to support personnel, materials, and equipment during construction or repairs. Scaffolding allows personnel to work at height when frequent access is required only for a specific period. When scaffolding is necessary, it must be designed, constructed, and inspected by certified supervisors and/or inspectors. The Safety Handbook identifies the requirements for the design review, erection, inspection, and tagging of scaffolding. Scaffold inspection tags must be visible on all scaffold structures. Before using a scaffold structure, check the tags to ensure that it is safe and has a current inspection date. Do not attempt to use scaffolding if it has a red tag attached, or if the green tag is no longer valid. A certified supervisor or inspector must inspect a scaffolding structure every 2 weeks, and after any alterations are made to the structure. Alterations can only be carried out by certified personnel.